I just found a brand new AI Reddit and SEO agent that can help you 10x the amount of web traffic that you're currently getting to your AI tools, your websites, or to your apps. Because the reality is that today, anybody can build a website, anybody can build an app, and you don't have to be a coder in order to do these things anymore. So now what's really going to separate apps and websites that win and actually succeed is whether or not they have distribution. And without distribution, you're not going to get any users and you're not going to make any money. And this new AI agent actually solves this issue for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, how it works, and some crazy use cases you could use it for. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Okura. And this right here is absolutely insane because not only when you first sign up for this, did they make sure that your chats are going to be encrypted and they're not actually shared with anybody, they also have this Reddit agent right here, and they have this SEO agent. In addition to that, you could see all the other things that you could do here. For example, you could come over here and you can access all of these different AI models, and they have them for vision, for general, for writing, for research, for coding, literally for everything that you could think of. They have an AI humanizer, a chat PDF, but really what this video is focused on is this Reddit agent and SEO agent. Now, before I dive into exactly what these do, I want to show you that they also have some other tools over here. And if you come into your account settings, you could set up things like your memory and all stuff like that. So basically, this is a way safer, way more secure version of Gemini or ChatGPT, but it also has these agents that are going to help us actually get our business out there. So if we come over here to this Reddit agent right here, what this is going to allow us to do is monitor, curate, and write high converting comments. And if you don't know, LLMs really care about this when they're trying to rank your content. In fact, if we look at the sources of where AI is actually getting its facts from, Reddit ranks number one with 40% of where AI is getting its facts from. In addition to that, it's looking at Wikipedia, YouTube, Google, and essentially what these agents are going to allow you to do is help you with Reddit and with Google right here. So the way that this actually works is we need to type in a website. For example, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to give this my AI tool that I created, and I'm going to get this to go off, and this is going to analyze, it's going to do research, and then it's going to come back to us with a bunch of relevant threads. While it's doing that, I wanted to show you how this SEO agent works right here because it's pretty similar. We come over here and this agent is going to edit your website and give you 5 fixes every day to help improve your SEO and AI visibility. So again, I'm going to put in my website right here, and then we're going to let this run off and do its thing. And we can see right here that what is our experience with SEO. I'm going to put beginner right here. We're going to click on continue. Where are we located? I am going to put Florida, English, and then we can actually go through and we could choose how often we want to receive SEO updates. I'm going to put this at daily right here. I'm going to have it actually send me emails right here. Then we're going to click on continue right here. This is going to go through. This is going to save our preferences right here. Now it's actually going to go through and generate an SEO audit report. It will show us fixes. We'll be able to re-audit this and see this PDF right here. Now, while this actually does this, we're going to come back over to the Reddit agent right here, and we can see this product has analyzed. It gave us a description of exactly what Content Buddy does. We could see different keywords that we could actually monitor here. If we wanted to, we could enter in different keywords. For example, I am going to put in go viral on Instagram. I'm also going to put in go viral on TikTok. I'm also going to put things around low views, so low TikTok views, and then we're going to put low Instagram views. And then this goes through and gives us different priority subreddits. If we had our own that we already know about, we could actually put them in here. But from here, I'm going to click on next. And now this is going to go through and this is going to find sample posts. We could see right here that this actually went through. These found all these different sample posts right here. And what we can actually do if we wanted to is come over here and check them out and actually look into them. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on looks good. And what this is actually going to do is set response guidelines right here. So how do we want our Reddit agent to respond? We could see that this is already pre-filled out. This gives us a max response length. This gives us a monitoring frequency. And again, we could set up to get email alerts. I'm going to click on next right here. Then we could actually go through and we could have it click on these and click generate response. And this will actually go through and give us examples of what these responses are going to look like when it actually goes through and responds. This right here looks amazing. This is not some random AI generated text. This looks humanized. This looks incredible. And if we click on finish setup right here, guess what? This agent has now been set up. It's now going to be available in the sidebar, and we can access it simply by clicking on the icon. And if we click on view results right here, we'll be able to see all of the different opportunities that this has found. We will be able to see all the keywords that are being monitored, all the priority subreddits. We could get email notifications right here, and guess what this is actually going to do? This is now going to allow us to come through these. We could generate a response right here. We could leave that response, and then we can mark this as complete, and this is going to help us rank for search. And we could see, we simply just click on post comment on Reddit, and boom, it'll go off and do it. And now that our SEO audit's done, here's what it actually looks like. We could see that we have the audit report right here. We could come over here. We could download this as a PDF if we wanted to, which looks incredible. And this literally goes through our entire SEO score, gives us our performance score, SEO, accessibility, best practices, goes through the on-page SEO, gives us all these different results here. And the best part about this gives us domain authority score, geo score, gives us website health. We could go down here and see all of these other things that we want to fix right here. Gives us a competitor analysis, backlinks snapshot, gives us different referring domains that are actually referring to us. And if we come up over here, we could actually see all the different fixes that we can implement. And the craziest part about this, let's say like this one right here, add H1 heading with primary keyword. This literally goes through and shows us exactly how to fix this. And then once it's fixed, we can mark it as complete. It's going to give us new changes every day. And these tools are going to help us optimize for Reddit showing up there. It's going to help us optimize for SEO and for LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude to actually recommend our product. Now, before I show you some pretty crazy use cases that this new tool unlocks, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Okura today. This tool is going to make it way easier for you to get traffic to your website, your apps, or your AI tools, and you're going to wish that you found it sooner. Now, use case number one for this tool is actually promoting your own tool. So we could see that I built out this tool right here, contentbuddy.ai. In addition to that, I built out this tool right here, mypromptbuddy.ai, and these tools have been growing like crazy because of my YouTube and social media presence. But now we're going to be able to use this Reddit agent right here. And guess what? I'm going to have a member of my team go through and do this every day because we could see that this has found 20 opportunities. We can now have them click through. They don't even have to create a response. We just click on generate response right here. Then we just click on post this on Reddit, and then we can mark it as complete. And this is going to allow my team to go through and generate Reddit content every single day for these threads right here. And now they don't have to go through and find those threads. And guess what? This actually does everything for them. And this is going to increase the odds that my tool ends up growing even faster. That was just use case number one. Use case number two is going to be making sure that I come into my SEO agent every single day and we come into these fixes right here, and we need to go through and we need to actually complete these fixes. For example, I need to build an internal linking structure. We could come in here. This gives me the description. It tells me if it's a high priority. It tells me how I need to be technical in order to do it. And look at this. This literally walks us through exactly how we could go through and how we could actually fix all these things. It gives us an expected impact. And again, I'll be able to mark this as complete. So I could give this to somebody on my team, or I could do this myself. And this is going to go through and this is going to help me fix all the SEO components that I need to fix in order to get my websites to rank for search. And the part about this that I love is that this is going to update this every single day. We could actually download a new report every day by rerunning an audit. We could download this as a PDF right here, and we could track this all right here, which is absolutely incredible. In addition to that, let's say that we were in a new chat or something like that, we could always come right back into this SEO agent, see the last audit, see all the fixes that we need to implement, and this is going to help us rank for search. Now, that third use case for this tool is kind of what I shared with you earlier, where AI is getting its facts from. So when you're using that Reddit agent and you're using that search agent, guess what's going to end up happening? When people come over to ChatGPT and they ask ChatGPT for something like, what AI tools help creators go viral on Instagram and TikTok, guess what? This is going to increase the odds that ChatGPT or Gemini or wherever is actually going to surface my tool. ChatGPT will actually go through and recommend contentbuddy.ai, and it tells us what actually stood out to it, and we could ask it to cite its sources. And then what you're going to notice is in those sources, what you're actually going to see is all those Reddit threads and SEO threads, and that's what actually got this to rank, and you could get the same thing to happen for your tools. And that final thing that you could use these tools for is you could actually use these to provide this as a service for other people. For example, if we come over to Fiverr and we type in SEO, we could see tons of people are selling SEO services. And guess what? We come over here and we type in AEO, we're going to see the same exact thing. AEO is going to help you rank for different chats and different LLMs. So SEO is going to allow you to rank on Google and on search results, and AEO is going to help you rank on other platforms like ChatGPT, Grok, stuff like that. And you can now provide this as a service because you have this tool that makes doing the work incredibly easy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other AI tools that I personally can't live without. I'll see you over there.